If you manage a footage library, whether it's 1,000 clips or 50,000, version 10 of Fast Video Cataloger is the biggest update we've shipped. AI that finds faces, tags, scenes, and transcribes dialogue. A built-in server for your team, native Blackmagic RAW support, and a completely rebuilt engine underneath. Let me show you what each of these actually solves. You need every clip featuring a specific person. The old way, open files one by one, scrub through, check, close, repeat. Maybe you remember some file names, maybe you don't. Version 10, add their face once. The AI scans the clips in your catalog and tags everyone it recognizes. I pointed it at about 12 hours of film and archive footage, and it came back with 16 matches across 4 different people. Finding those by hand means opening every clip and scrubbing through it. All the AI in version 10 runs locally on your machine. No cloud uploads, no API calls, no billing by the minute. Your footage never leaves your hardware. You shot 3 hours of interviews. Somewhere in there, someone said exactly the right thing. The old way, watch it all, take notes, hope you find it later. Version 10 has speech-to-text transcription built in, ready to go out of the box, auto-language detection, no GPU required, every word is timestamped and searchable. Type a phrase, click, you're at that exact moment. If you cut interviews or assemble testimonial packages, this takes a job that used to be an afternoon and turns it into an hour. You know you shot something at a beach or near a car or in a warehouse, but you're digging through folders by date, hoping the file name gives you a clue. Version 10 auto-tags every scene during indexing. 80 object categories, people, vehicles, animals, furniture. 365 scene types, beach, warehouse, highway, office. Search and combine them. These tags stack with your own manual keywords, so your catalog gets more useful over time without extra work from you. Your footage is now described by what's actually in it. Version 10 has a built-in web server, one-click setup, browser-based access, user accounts with role-based permissions. They search, browse, tag, even upload. No cloud service, no upload wait. Your footage stays on your machine. 2 quick indexing improvements. The indexer now detects near identical thumbnails and drops them automatically, so you get a clean visual timeline instead of 15 frames of the same static shot. And if you work with people-focused footage, interviews, events, casting, faceless frame removal strips out any thumbnail where nobody's face is visible. What's left is the footage that matters. For Blackmagic shooters, native Blackmagic RAW support. Your RAW files index and play directly, no transcoding step. Color science, white balance, and exposure metadata read straight from the file. Under the hood, the entire application has been rebuilt on .NET 10. Startup, indexing, browsing, large catalogs, all noticeably faster. And version 10 is now available in German, Spanish, and Swedish. That's version 10. AI face search, speech-to-text, scene tagging, all running on your hardware. A web server for your team. Native Blackmagic RAW, a faster engine. We've been building this for over 15 years, and version 10 is the most capable release yet. Available as a monthly subscription or a one-time purchase. Download the free trial at videocataloger.com.